What's up guys, so this is a video on how to connect and pair to the capture app with the GoPro Hero 4 Silver and Black. So I'm making this video because I had a lot of problems myself connecting up. So I thought I'd make a video to help everybody else who's having problems too. And another thing, I noticed that people were showing you how to connect up for the first time, but they weren't showing you how to connect up after that because it's a different way. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect up for the first time, and then I'm going to show you how to connect after that all the time. So before I forget, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe and leave any comments below if you need any help or anything like that. So the first thing we're going to do is reset the Wi-Fi password on the camera itself. So there's a number of reasons we would do that. One can be that you've forgotten your password. Another reason could be that you've bought the camera from somebody else and they've set a password and you don't know it. Or you're just having problems connecting up in general. So right, I'm going to show you how to do that first. So first thing we're going to do is turn the camera on by pressing the mode button. And to get into the Wi-Fi reset menu, what we need to do is press this button on the side, which is a settings button, for 2 seconds. While still holding it, you're going to press the mode button once and release it, and that will take you straight into the Wi-Fi reset menu. So we'll do that now. So there you go. That's in the Wi-Fi reset settings mode. So all you need to do now, if you press the mode button, that'll take you to reset, and then you can press the shutter button to OK it. But I'm just going to show you how to do that again, so I'm going to cancel that. So again, I'm going to show you how to do it just in case you're having any problems. We're going to press and hold the settings button on the side for 2 seconds. While still holding that button, we're going to, after 2 seconds, we're going to press the mode button once. So right, we're going to hold it now. 1, 2, there you go. So hopefully that'll help, and hopefully it'll help you suss how to do it, because I know a lot of people have problems with this, even I did. So right, we're going to press the mode button, go to reset and press OK. So now it's going to reset the password in the camera, and it'll turn itself off and automatically turn itself back on, and then the password's been reset. So right guys, that's the Wi-Fi resetted. Now I'm going to show you how to connect and pair for the very first time. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the setup menu. So we're going to use the mode button, and we'll keep pressing that until we get to setup. Then we'll press the shutter button to OK it. And then what we're going to do is, where you can see off, we're going to press OK. Then we're going to press the mode button and go to pair. And then we're going to go to GoPro app and we're going to press OK. As soon as we press OK, it will go into pairing mode for a certain amount of time. So that's what we're going to do now. So now it's given us a pairing code to put in as well. So right, now we're going to go to a phone and go to settings. Then we're going to go to Wi-Fi, and then we're going to wait for GP and the numbers to come up. GP stands for GoPro, so we're going to hit that. Now it's going to ask us for a password, and the standard password is GoPro Hero. And then we're going to enter join. So now we've got a tick. We're going to come out of there. We're going to go into Bluetooth. We're going to turn Bluetooth on. And then we're going to come out of this and we're going to go to the GoPro app. What we're going to do now, we're going to hit the camera sign on the top. Add a new camera. Hero 4. Continue, continue, continue. So now it's pairing and it's asking for the code. And the code was 8105. 8105 pair. So now it's asking for a username and a password. So why it's asking for a username is where we connected up to the Wi-Fi and it was GP and some numbers, we're going to rename that to wherever's here now, and then we're going to set a password for it. So you need to write these down actually so you remember them. So I'm going to put in here GoPro Hero 4 all in one, and I'm going to set my password as Hero 4 Silver. So right, that's done now, and like I said, make sure you write your username and password down so if it ever does ask you, you've got it. So as you notice that it's come out of the pairing mode, but you'll notice the blue light flashing, so the Wi-Fi is still connected. So don't worry about that. It should automatically still connect. We just need to go through the procedures again. So right, we're going to update the camera. Now it's telling us to go back and check our Wi-Fi. So we're going to go back here. We're going to go to Wi-Fi. It's disconnected. We're going to wait for it to find it, and now it's found it as GoPro Hero. So we're going to hit GoPro Hero. It's going to ask us for the password, and the password was Hero 4 Silver. Hero 4 Silver, and we're going to hit join. As soon as it ticks, we'll be connected to the camera again. So my Bluetooth's on. We're going to go back to the app. And there you go, we're connected now. So if I press record, it'll start recording. Stop recording. So right, there you go, that's how you connect up for the very first time. But you only do that to pair the camera and the phone together with the app. Once you've done that once, you don't need to do it again. The only thing you need to do is just connect them up, and I'll show you how to do that now. So I'm going to come out of here. Right, first thing we're going to do is turn the Wi-Fi off, and we're going to do that by going to the setup menu again. I'm going to press OK. Here at the top where it says RC and app, we're going to press OK. Where it says on, we're going to press OK to turn that off. So right, with the flashing blue lights and then it's turned off, that means we've got no Wi-Fi on now. So I'm going to press the settings button to go back to the normal menu, and I'm going to turn the camera off. So I'm going to come out of here, go to my Bluetooth, turn my Bluetooth off. So right, now I'm going to show you how to connect up from now on. Like I said, the other way what I showed you was only in the beginning. So right, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to stop going on about it. Right, turn your camera on. press the mode button until you get to setup. Press OK. Where it says off, press OK to turn it on. Where it says off again, press on instead of going to pairing. Now you see the flashing blue lights, your Wi-Fi is connected. So now we're going to press back with the settings button and get back to the normal menu. So now we're going to go to settings and go to Wi-Fi, and it looks like it's already automatically connected up there, but we'll check that. Yeah, it has. So it's automatically connected up. We'll come out of that, we'll go to Bluetooth, we'll turn that on, and we'll come out of there and go to the app, and we'll press the camera sign, and we'll press the camera sign again, and there you go, we're connected. And this is how you'll connect from now on. You won't pair it again every time you connect it up, you just need to connect it up. So if I press record, it's recording. Right, so that's done that now. So right, another thing, if you do have any problems and you do forget your password, just reset your Wi-Fi password like I showed you in the beginning, and just start all over again, and just set a new username and password, and you should be okay. So right, this is the way you're going to connect up from now on. And I'm just thinking, what else can I show you? Yeah, another thing, always turn your Wi-Fi off when you're not using it. Even if your camera's turned off, it still drains your Wi-Fi and it'll deplete your battery. So what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to show you another way of connecting up even quicker now. So once you've paired up, you've paired up. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to go to Wi-Fi, I'm going to turn that Wi-Fi off. So remember always to turn your Wi-Fi off, like I said to you, and that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to go to setup, press OK. Where it says RC and apps, we're going to press OK. Where it says on, we're going to press OK. Now it's turned off, it's flashed the blue lights and it's gone off now. So right, I'm going to turn the camera off by pressing the mode button. So that's off. So that's turned off now. So right, I'm going to show you a quicker way of connecting up once you've paired up. You don't need to go through all the menu system and faff about. What you simply need to do is pick your camera up, hold the settings button for about 3 or 4 seconds until you see the flashing blue light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going a bit quick actually. But there you got the Wi-Fi sign on now. So that'll go off in a second, but it'll still be connected. So what we'll do now, we'll go back to our phone, we'll turn Wi-Fi back on. And there's GoPro Hero 4, we're going to hit that, it's connected up. Come out of that, go to set Bluetooth, turn your Bluetooth on. Come out of that, go to your app. Hit the camera sign on the top. Hit the camera sign here or touch the camera, whatever you prefer. And it will automatically turn your camera on and give you a preview. So now you connect it up to the app straight away, so it's a lot quicker to connect up that way. So it's recording now. Stop recording. So on the top you've got a power button there, you can use that to turn it off as well. So that's what I've done now, I've turned it off. And like I said, all you need to do is, like, you can see it's off now, but it's still flashing blue. And I'll show you once more, just hit the camera sign and it'll turn it on. So right, that's you connected again. So right, I'm going to turn it off again. And I'm going to show you how to turn your Wi-Fi off as well without going through the menu system. Same procedure, hold the settings button for so many seconds until you see the flashing blue light and the sign saying Wi-Fi is off. So that's it. That's the quicker way of doing it. And like I said, always remember to turn your Wi-Fi off. Don't leave it on if you're not using it, because when you come to using your camera, your battery will be completely flat. So right guys, I don't think there's anything else I can show you. And remember what I said again, write your password down and don't forget it. But if you do have any problems, just reset it again and just do it again. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's having problems, and thanks for watching guys. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.